Hello, beautiful friends. It's Tracy from Country Charm by Tracy, and today I am sharing how I painted up this window box insert, this Hello Fall insert. Guys, this is offered over at the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. I am one of her affiliates, and so my affiliate link will be in the description box below. And guys, I am going to share this with you. I'll put all of the paint colors that I used for my Hello Fall window box insert here. I'll put all of those in the description box. Now, guys, what can you use these with, even though they're just so super cute? Guys, I had shared in a previous video the window box display that you can purchase separately over at the Rust Covered Cottage. You paint it up and decorate it once, and then you can have it to create these little seasonal inserts. Guys, I have the Hello Autumn one. I have I have the Saltbox House coming. I have the Halloween, the two little ghosts. I have the Thanksgiving, and Christina told me that she has others that she's going to be adding to her window box insert collection. And so I'm super duper excited for that. So let's go ahead and paint up this Hello Fall one, and I'll share what I did to do that. So in the unfinished kit, you're going to get everything that you need for that window box insert. And so some of the pieces are like etched, so you kind of know where to put those pieces back after you paint them. There are a couple of different tools that you can use if you are unsure. You can use like a pencil or a friction pen, or a like a little thing that has a little hook on a little something that you can kind of dig out and just see that. But if if you're just like me, I just kind of put them where I see there should be. And so I'm just going to paint these up just so super cute, just in the colors that I like. I'm a more traditional seasonal crafter, and so that I will have all of the paint colors that I used in the description box. Now, guys, don't get caught up on the paint colors or brands. Use whatever your paint color or your paint palette, your decor likes. And but I just like to offer that because I do have a lot of friends that are curious. Now, friends, I do love to add some shading to my painted projects, and usually I do it with a flat paintbrush and my water and paint. And but I have found the Kills Dark Wax, and I just rub that on with my finger, and I just use a baby wipe to wet my finger if I need to spread it out a little bit. And so I really like that. But there are several ways that us crafters do add some darkening, some shading, and it really just brings your projects to life. And so you can get Kills Dark Wax. I have it listed in my Amazon storefront. So, friends, one of my mottos is the beauty is in the details, and I absolutely love adding a black Sharpie marker to my painted projects as well as my little detailing brush. Now, guys, I have had this little detailing brush for maybe 20 years. The handle's broken, it's missing some bristles, and so that's the key is to find a really thin brush that has a very few bristles so that you can get those thin lines. The ones that I recommend, I'll have the link in the description box. All right, so I also add some paint splatters. I just do that with a stiff stencil brush and a stick. That's my way of doing it. A lot of people use an old toothbrush, whatever works for you. Now, for the Hello Fall, you may have caught that I had. Put some polka dots on them, and I did not like that, guys. I couldn't read it, and so I was not happy with that. So like, I encourage you, my viewers, whoever likes to paint, I repainted it. I wasn't happy with it. So I sanded off those dots because they were a little raised. And then I just repainted it in red. And then I like that much better. I took my little stylus and added some polka dots on the letters. And then I like that much better. Now, this insert is one that is offered over at the Rust Covered Cottage. This is the Hello Fall one. This goes in the window box display. And so there are other ones that you can grab for yourself. I'll have my affiliate link in the description box below. As of the time in this video, she has the Halloween, the two little ghosts. She has the Thanksgiving turkey. She also has the everyday, which is the salt box house. But she told me that she's going to be adding some more for the other holidays, including Christmas and winter. And then we'll be swinging into the next year, which we will have, Easter's coming up, and then all of the other fun window box inserts that we can display here in our window box. So I just displayed or actually embellished my little Hello Autumn pumpkin here just with a sweet little homespun bow. I had to add some of my sisal grass. I love the wispiness of the sisal grass. You can find that in my Amazon storefront, and you can decorate yours the way that you want. And I love to see your pictures, so make sure and tag me in your photos or send me the pictures because I would love to give you some love on that. So for the curly cues on my bow, I'm using some floral wire. I have those listed in my Amazon storefront as well. And I am using the like craft colored or the light brown as well as some green. And so I thought that this green floral wire would be great just to add to my little pumpkin here, just like for pumpkin tendrils, so that kind of thing, guys. It's always fun to create with you. Now, those little curling tools that I'm using, those came in from a sweet friend and follower several years ago. I have those listed in my description box as well because it does make curling little wires very nice and, just very fun to create with you guys. Now, again, you can find this insert. I'll have my affiliate link in the description box below, as well as the other ones that are available. Check the playlist at the end of the video because I do have more in my playlist for the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. So you can get all of those all in one place. You can also find the display, how to paint it up in the rustic chippy look, as well as how I assembled it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support and your continued prayers for my family. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.